Hi, my love. Would you be able to imagine yourself having a holiday in your own country? And if you cannot imagine that, this is the video for you. And you may ask, why is it important to have this holiday mode? Well, I'll explain to you. In my previous blog, I mentioned how important it is to celebrate every day and why we shouldn't take each day for granted. Every day, I'm so grateful to be alive, to be with the person I love dearly. The slow winter life here in Sweden gives me the opportunity to take one step back and focus on what that matters to me. In life, in whichever way we are going or heading to, we try to stay as positive as possible. And I can understand why some people find it really hard. It's easier if we are alone, and it's more difficult and complicated when we are with someone. Not everyone are perfect, and I'm considered very lucky to have found LG, who treats me very well and take good care of me. He's extremely patient with me and is very supportive in whatever things I do. Looking back on this footage while I was filming for this winter life vlog, I realized that every day is like a holiday, even though we are still in our own country. Home blind in Sweden, we call it hembling. Many of us just don't realize that we are actually on a holiday on this earth. Our role is experience life and being human. When we are kind, we feel fulfilled. It is not how much we get back, it is how much we feel when we give. The key is not to complain, not to feel sad or sorry for yourself, or even feel stuck. When we feel stuck, we have to pull ourselves out from the hole and stay in balance and move forward. Try and find joy in the smallest thing and give a pat on your shoulder when nobody else does. Never wait or ask for somebody for support. It is a waste of time. Take for example, LG in this case. I told him that his bike will get stuck in the snow, and still he wants to do that. Normally, I will go out and help him, but today I decided to stay inside and let him fix the problem himself so he feels good. Nowadays, I try to challenge myself with the things that I dare not do. For example, learning how to drive a tractor. I want to learn that so I don't have to depend on LG to do the snow removing. I want to prepare myself for old age in case I cannot use the shovel to remove snow, so having a tractor can be really good. I hope I could live for another 20-30 years in the villa, as most older people move to apartment because they don't want to remove snow. Removing snow is part of our life in the north of Sweden, and with the right tool, life is much easier. Removing snow can be tiring, so during this period, I seldom cook. And since today we are doing snow removing the whole day, I thought why not we have lunch and dinner outside. And today for lunch, we decided to eat at this burger store just 70 meters from our home. It's nice to pamper ourselves sometimes, don't you think? And after lunch, we decided to continue removing snow. Look at the entrance of our bed and breakfast entrance. Maybe to some Asian, they might think that, oh, poor SD, call Mia, it means poor life. I used to think the same, but now not anymore. In fact, this to me is quality life. I remember one of you used to comment and said, SD, by looking at you removing the snow makes me really tired. Yes, it is really tiring when removing snow. But the good thing is, at the end of the day, you will sleep like a baby. Sometimes we need to feel tired and allow or let our body rest. And look at the bright side, we never have any issue sleeping. We could sleep in 5 seconds. In my previous vlog, I also mentioned that we should celebrate and reward ourselves every day. And for dinner, we went to this little tiny Thai restaurant just 200 meters from our place. Restaurants nowadays have hard time, so we thought we could give them some support. Well, LG ordered this delicious pork lard, which is a bit spicy, while I indulge in this fried chicken basket. It's different kind of chicken being deep fried with some French fries. It's super delicious. But the issue is that the portion is so big, I have to share with LG at the end. So you see, this is like having a small holiday, isn't it? We were so full, so we went for a little walk back home. We wish the journey would have been longer, so we could burn some calories. The next day, we were expecting a storm. I was quite nervous and at the same time feeling excited. I like to hear the sound of the wind. It's so relaxing and yet scary. I enjoyed spending time doing nothing, just sitting by the window, looking out. Again, this to me felt like I'm having a holiday. Doing nothing, just enjoying the scene. And in the evening, I decided to have a hot pot. And since we cannot do so much outside today, we decided to stay indoor and keep ourselves warm. There is no hot pot restaurant here in Sweden, so having one at home is really nice. LG, he liked it very much. He find really exotic that we could barbecue indoor, enjoying warm food cooked on the spot, that no restaurant manager will rush us. And after dinner, we plan to have a sauna. And since it is so cold today, it will take a longer time to warm up the sauna. And since this is a holiday, why not some selfie? Okay, now I'm going out to roll in the snow. One, two, three. That's my sofa. Ooh. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's so cold. I hope this idea will give you an idea how winter life is like in Sweden, and how we treated every day as though we are on holidays. Would you be able to do that too? Let me know in your comment where are you from, and let me know how you too can create this tiny holiday for yourself in your country. Like this video if you find value in this content. I'll see you in my next vlog.